Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I want to thank my dear colleague, Mr. Smith, for holding this important pro-life special order that gives a voice to the unborn. I stand here today in defense of the thousands of unborn children whose lives were ended through no fault of their own. These children are precious gifts and cannot defend themselves. They do not have the luxury to debate whether or not society should recognize them as living beings. As a Christian and the proud father also of 3 children, I strongly believe in the sanctity of life and that it begins at conception. My heart aches for the thousands of unborn children who will never have that chance to experience the wonder of life. Life is truly a miracle granted through the grace of nature's God, and I'm here today to say every life is a gift, and every life does matter. It has been 42 years since the Supreme Court made their ruling in Roe v. Wade. Since that ruling, an estimated, and I want to repeat this, an estimated 55 million lives have been lost. That's more than the total population of the Northeast states. That's more than the population of the state of California. Future generations will look back and judge us. They will judge us on our failure to protect the most innocent among us. They'll judge us for allowing infanticide, human genocide of our next generation yet to come. This week, the defenders of life in the thousands have and will come to Washington, D.C. to support the sanctity of life. This has grown into the largest pro-life event in the world. I want them to know we will keep fighting to defend the silent unborn child. How can we as a nation have laws that protect the embryo of a sea turtle or a bald eagle, but yet refuse to protect the same of our own species? Shouldn't the lives of the unborn children, shouldn't they matter as much as these in the eyes of the law? These lives, these gifts, these human beings deserve to be protected and defended, and I thank my colleague and I yield back.